Okay, so for the angle, you want to go to the, let's go to the first floor. I'm going to place the angled profile here. So that will be the west elevation. Okay, so this is where I want the curtain wall angle. So all I need to do is actually go back to the first floor. Sorry, first floor and add a wall. This time using exterior glazing. Uh, so it starts at the first floor at the height of 500. That's good. From the high roof at a top offset of negative 1500. That's okay. And then I'm going to just place this here. If you want a reference, you can go. Let's cancel out. So you know exactly where it's going to start and end. You can go to the architecture reference plane and say offset this using the pick line tool. Let's say offset it by 500. Okay, so you can offset this by 500. So you know exactly where you're going to start your, so extend that. And you want, if you want exactly how, big your curtain wall is going to be, so you can do that. Just say, so maybe 4,000. So you can design it that way. So 4,000. Okay, and then offset this right there. So that's how you define the area where you want your curtain wall to be, by using reference planes. So RP is the shortcut. Once you have established that, then you can start your wall command, exterior glazing. Okay. First floor, offset by 500. Top level, high roof, offset by negative 1500 is okay. And then I'll get the intersection from my reference plane. Make sure it's in the proper direction. You can always change the direction after. So intersection from the reference plane. So they overlap again. You just need to select that curtain wall, edit type, and make sure automatically embed is checked. Okay. Once you've done that, go back to your 3D view. I think it connected to my, yep. So maybe move it a little bit, only up to there. Oh, it doesn't want to. Okay. Let's say up to there. Okay. I made a mistake. Undo, undo, undo. Okay, do that again. Wall. Click. And click. Too close. Cancel out. I think it's too close. So let me just go wall. Maybe over here. Not too close. See, wow, it wants to go up. Revit has a mind of its own now. Okay, so anyway, select this, edit type, and automatically embed. Okay, there you go. I think that worked. So it's similar to the curtain wall. It just have mullions, or sorry, grids. A storefront would have the grid and the mullion. An exterior glaze will only have a grid. Okay, so those are the difference. Otherwise, they work basically the same. And then the last thing you want to do is go to your what view? West view. Okay? From the west view, you want to select the curtain grid and then edit profile. And then now you can do your, angle. Okay? Make sure you trim the excess. So you can trim the excess lines. Okay? Trim. Okay? Once you've done that, click on OK. So you can actually edit the profile to whatever look you want. You can even edit profile and add a circle inside if you want. Right? That becomes part of the wall. Doesn't look nice, so let me delete that. Okay. And okay. And then here, you can go to Architecture, Mullion, select the grids. You can say all grids. So you'll have a mullion. And then if you want the mullion to be at an angle, so simply select the curtain wall system, and down here, which you can do in all your curtain grids, place an angle. So 45-degree. You can even place an offset. You can have your justification where you want it to begin. Right? So end, center. Place it at an angle, 45 degrees. Apply. Delete what's not needed. Sometimes it will not work perfectly, so simply say Architecture Mullion. So just add the mullions where you need the mullion. See, the angle is different. This is a 45 and that will be a little bit different, but okay, no problem. Just keep adding those mullions. And that's how you add an angle. And again, you can always add, remove segments, or you can always go back to your curtain grid and add more grids if needed. So you first need to add a grid, and then you add a mullion to the grid.